Thank you for your interest in the Splunk app for Blueliv. In this short video, we will show you how to configure your new plugin in order to start receiving the very latest cyber threat intelligence updates directly within your Splunk console. To begin with, open the Blueliv app from within your Splunk console. It should show up at the home page. From here, open the Configuration tab. The Blueliv API feed settings will be used to set up the credentials that will grant you with access to the data feed. Paste your API key inside the API key input and select your access type from the drop-down box. There are two kinds of access, free and commercial. You must use the one that corresponds correctly with your API key. Once everything has been configured correctly, a green border will appear that will indicate that everything has in fact been entered and configured correctly. The proxy settings are optional and should be only filled in if you need to use a proxy in order to access the internet. Otherwise, this can be left blank. If you need to use a proxy, add in your proxy host, IP or hostname plus the corresponding port that is in use. The proxy user and password are once again optional and should only be filled in if your proxy is utilizing them. To disable the proxy settings, you simply need to delete the setting and click Save. Finally, after a couple of minutes, you will start to receive the data that can be previewed in the dashboards that are labeled Threat Overview, Bot IPs and Hacktivism. If your access type is free, some of the features will appear disabled and will be marked in red. Thank you very much for joining the Blueliv community. We can be contacted at community@blueliv.com.